Injection Mold Design Fundamentals Part 10. Injection Mold Maintenance, Troubleshooting and Life Extension Techniques. How to double mold life and produce consistent quality parts. Imagine buying a luxury car worth 50 lakhs rupees, but you never change the engine oil, never service it, never clean it. Would you expect it to perform perfectly for years? Of course not. Now think about an injection mold. Many companies invest lakhs or even crores in precision molds. Yet some molds produce millions of perfect parts, while others fail after only a few thousand shots. Why? The answer is very simple. Maintenance. Today's video will help you understand how proper maintenance can double mold life, reduce production stoppages, eliminate flash, prevent dimensional variations, improve surface finish, reduce repair costs, increase profitability. If you are a mold designer or a toolroom engineer, maintenance engineer, mold setter, plastic processor, entrepreneur or engineering student, this video is a must watch. Hello friends, I am Amit and you are watching Plastic Industry YouTube channel. On this channel, we simplify plastics engineering, injection molding, mold design, processing, manufacturing and business opportunities. Please subscribe, press the bell icon and share the video with your colleagues. Now let's begin. Two factories buy identical injection molds from the same manufacturer. Same steel, same design, same cooling circuit, same machines. Everything is same. 5 years later, Factory A still produces excellent parts. Factory B struggles with flash, mold cavities, leaking cooling channels and expensive repairs. The difference? Maintenance culture. What is injection mold maintenance? Mold maintenance means regularly inspecting, cleaning, lubricating, repairing and protecting the mold to ensure consistent performance throughout its service life. It's not a cost, it is an investment. Types of mold maintenance. Routine maintenance performed every production run. Includes cleaning cavity surfaces, removing plastics residue, cleaning of heads, applying rust preventive sprays, checking ejector movement, inspecting cooling channels. Number 2 is preventive maintenance, performed after a predefined number of molding cycles. Examples: every 50,000 shots, every 100,000 shots, every 500,000 shots. Activities include complete disassembly, measuring wear, replacing the worn out inserts, polishing, checking guide pillars and bushes, replacing springs and seals. Number 3, corrective maintenance, performed only after a failure. It's a breakdown maintenance. Examples: welding damaged areas, remachining cavities, EDM repair, insert replacement. Corrective maintenance is always the most expensive. Daily inspection checklist. Before production begins, check cavity cleanliness, check pore cleanliness, inspect gauge, check vents, verify ejector movement, inspect cooling water flow, check guide pillars, check locating rings, tighten the bolts, inspect electrical connectors, hot runner molds. A 10-minute inspection can prevent hours of downtime. Common mold problems and its solutions. Flash causes cold parting line. Low clamping force. Damage cavity. Foreign particles. Solution: regrind parting surface. Restore alignment. Clean mold. Replace old inserts. Short shorts. Causes: blocked gate, poor venting, low injection pressure. Solution: clean the gate, improve vent depth, optimize process parameters. Burn marks cause trapped air. Solution: improve venting and reduce injection speed if necessary. Sink marks cause poor packing, thick wall sections. Solutions: improve gate location, packing pressure and part design. Sticking parts causes poor draft angle, surface damage, insufficient cooling, high shrinkage. Solution: polish the core, improve draft, optimize cooling. Water leakage cause corroded cooling channels, damaged O-rings. Solution: pressure test the cooling circuit and replace the damaged seals. Cleaning method. Proper cleaning methods include plastic safe solvents, soft brushes, dry compressed air, ultrasonic cleaning of inserts, cooling channel descaling chemicals, circulated with descaling pump. Never use steel tools that scratch polished surfaces. Lubrication. Lubricate guide fillers, brushes. Never use. Lubricate guide fillers with soft clothes, bushes, ejector pins, sliding cores, lifters. Avoid excess grease. It attracts dust and plastic particles. Mold storage. This is very important. When storing molds, clean thoroughly. Apply rust preventive spray. Open the mold slightly. Seal water pores. Store in a dry environment. Level maintenance status. Proper storage extends mold life significantly. Predictive maintenance. Modern factories use sensors to monitor mold temperature, cooling efficiency, cycle count, vibration, cavity pressure. This allows maintenance before failure occurs. Plastic industry tips. Maintain a mold history card. Record repairs and modifications. Track shot count. Standardize maintenance intervals. Train operators to identify early warning signs. Replace wear components before failure. So friends, let us conclude. Remember, a mold is not just a tool. It's a long-term manufacturing asset. With proper maintenance, one mold can produce millions of quality parts while reducing downtime and maximizing profitability. In part 11, we will discuss advanced injection mold technologies, which will include hot runner optimization, valve gate systems, stack molds, multi-component molding, gas-assisted injection molding, conformal cooling, Industry 4.0 in molding application. Thank you. See you on the next video. Until such time, goodbye.